Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LegalShield for affordable legal plans, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the LegalShield website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the membership section. Here, you will find various legal plans tailored to different needs. Choose the plan that best suits your requirements. Click on the plan to view detailed information. Take note of the coverage options and monthly pricing. If you're satisfied, proceed to the sign-up page. Fill out the required personal information accurately. Review the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing. Select your payment method and enter the details. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your email for any important information. After confirming your membership, log into your LegalShield account. Explore the member dashboard for features and resources. Familiarize yourself with the tools available, like document review and legal advice. If you need support, use the Contact Us section for assistance. To access legal services, call the provided toll-free number. Have your membership details ready for verification. Clearly explain your legal issue to the attorney on the line. Follow any additional steps the attorney recommends. You can also use the app for convenient access to services. Download the LegalShield app from your device. Log in with your membership credentials to access legal resources on the go. Stay updated on your membership. Review any documents or legal advice provided by your attorney carefully. Utilize your plan regularly to get the most value from it. If you have any questions about your plan, reach out to customer service for clarification. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your legal needs with LegalShield. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.